Passage number 50 of All-in-One Monthly Magazine. Start. Agriculture. Pakistan's agriculture sector plays a central role in the economy as it contributes 18.9% to GDP and absorbs 42.3% of labor force. Full stop. Provincial Minister for Awqaf and Religious Affairs Saidullah Hassan Shah on Tuesday visited shrines of Baba Karam Ilahi Kauma, popularly known as Kamawali Sarkar, and Hazrat Shah Daula Wali in Gujarat. Full stop. He laid a flower wreath on the graves of both saints and offered Fatiha and prayed for the development and prosperity of the country. Full stop. Para. Board of Revenue. The tax authority collects sales tax on services including telecommunication, banks, insurance, hotel and restaurants. Full stop. Colonies consolidation of holdings. The collector office has been vacant since February 22 after collector Malik Nasir Awan was transferred and posted district monitoring officer in Muzaffargarh. Full stop. Mr. Awan, however, moved the services tribunal against the transfer, sources said. Full stop. Disaster management. A two-day international conference on disaster management hosted at University of Peshawar came up with a resolution to set aside considerable budget for coping natural hazards and to turn the focus for preparedness for eventualities instead of boosting emergency response systems. Full stop. Baitul Mal Chief Minister's Inspection Team Punjab. Full stop. The Sindh High Court directed on Wednesday the National Accountability Bureau investigators to submit a formal report on the closure of the inquiry related to a land scam against former chairperson of Chief Minister Inspection Team Abdus Subhan Memon. Full stop. Assistant Advocate General Tariq Mahmood Butt said the Disabled Persons (start Employment and Rehabilitation) ordinance was promulgated in 1981. Full stop. After the 18th Amendment, necessary amendments were incorporated in the Ordinance of 1981. Full stop. Para. Communications and Works, Cooperative Energy, Environment Protection Pakistan fully supports global policies and guidelines for a safe, efficient, sustainable and viable civil aviation, the minister said, speaking on the occasion, adding the new policy will be particularly in line with the Premier's vision for promotion of tourism and facilitation of tourists. Full stop. Excise and taxation. The impractical nature of the tax schedule has puzzled the Punjab Excise and Taxation Department, which suspecting an inadvertent error in the finance bill has sought a written clarification from the Federal Board of Revenue. Full stop. Finance. Most of these loans will be consumed in repaying the debt piled up by the previous as well as the current political dispensation on food forestry. Full stop. Wildlife and fisheries. Scientists have now rung the alarm bells that we humans are driving the sixth mass extinction on Earth. Full stop. A new study brought out by the United Nations says that 1 million of the world's animal and plant species are now at risk of extinction, the largest number in human history to be facing the threat of being wiped out forever, full stop. Governor's Secretariat Governor said the Governor's House has been opened for public from today, full stop. Para. Any citizen, along with his family, can visit the governor's house by showing his computerized national identity card at the main entrance, he said, full stop. He added that initially some specific areas, like lake, lawns, and hill are being opened for public, full stop.